Hey guys, how we doing? Today we're going to learn how to update the Ricoh GR III with the most current software offered by Ricoh. So go to their website, ricoh-imaging.co.jp, look it up, it's there. Go to their digital download or download digital HTML page, and again, you'll find that in the support section. You want to scroll all the way down to firmware update. Digital compact cameras, look for the GR3 or 3X or 2, whatever you might have. Right now we're looking for the 3 with the 1.5, which we found. What this does, this gives you a depth of field priority, kind of an upgrade. Again, that you'll just have to play with that. We'll have a video on that coming up. It also has face detection. That is an upgrade. It has eye detection, which is an upgrade from the face detection. So that'll be very useful for folks doing portraits, such as myself. Also, some JPEG and RAW developing advancements. I don't do any of that in camera, so that doesn't really affect me a whole lot. But that 16:9 cropping might be interesting. And again, the eye detection should be very, very helpful for folks doing street photography, portraiture, things like that. So again, that's what you're going to get with this upgrade. And even if you don't use those items or they have no use for you, you always want to upgrade. So you go down to the licensing agreement, which of course you read every word of that, and you click I agree, start download, go ahead and save. Mine saves to my download folder. If you don't know how to do that, you'll need to look that up. But basically, you need to save this to your computer. It's a zip file, and all you need to do on my computer, all I do is right-click, extract all. You don't want to open. You want to extract it first. That's what a zip file is. That's what you got to do. Hit extract, and then you see the file just popped up above that, the same file, but it does not say zip. You open that. That bin documents what you want. Now you can go ahead and completely delete the HD card in your computer. You can delete everything off of it. You can leave folders on there, whatever, but basically you want the root folder and you want that bin file. You've got to drag the bin file over to your HD card. That's what you have to put in your computer, and then you have that on there. It's got to be the root folder. And then you pull that out of your computer and you will now put it in your camera. So you'll open up the bottom, you put the card in your camera, and then you'll close it. Now, the important thing is to push the menu button and then push the on-off button. So push the menu button, then the on-off button. And I'm sorry for the out of focus, but you'll get this screen, and it's asking you, do you want to upgrade? And of course you do. If you only have one option, either cancel or do it. So you update, and the update's complete. And that's all there is to it, folks. And so now you can enjoy the update as Ricoh intended it. So hats off to Ricoh for giving that update. You do have to turn the camera off, and then you can turn it back on, and now you're back. And now you can get to things like the eye detection. So let's check that firmware one more time and go down to the bottom. And there we go, firmware info 1.5. We are good to go, ladies and gentlemen. So that's all there is to it. Hope this was helpful, and we'll see you on the next one.